All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Steven Aldacco. Thank you so much for joining us today. In today's video, we're going to explore one of Orange County's most unique hikes, and that is Whiting Ranch, specifically the trail to the Red Rock Canyon, which is directly behind me. As you can see, it's super beautiful, and it almost feels like it doesn't belong here in like Orange County. It feels like it's somewhere in Arizona or Utah where they have canyons like this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make it up to this canyon. It's about a 4-mile trek, 2 miles in and about 2 miles out. And there's also plenty of animals to see. I've seen almost everything from deers to rattlesnakes. I've never seen a mountain lion, but they are known to be in this area. So those are some things to look out for. And if you like this kind of content and you want to see more, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can get informed whenever I release new videos. All right, everyone, without further ado, let's jump right away into it, exploring the Red Rock Canyon. The first bit of this trail is super well maintained. You can see the trail very easily, and it's pretty much flat. There's a slight incline. There's only one way to go, so it's just straight up the trail. You'll definitely see a lot of mountain bikers passing by here because it's an awesome mountain biking spot as well. So make sure you move to the right for the mountain bikers so you give them space. Usually you'll hear the mountain bikers because at this trail they provide little bells for the mountain bikers to put on their bikes, so it makes it easy for them to be heard. Definitely stay on the trail on this one because there's tons of poison oak everywhere.
I've been getting in my head for it ever since they flattened it out and make it.
So it's about 1.5 miles to that first junction, and then you'll make your right, which will lead you up this trail. And then you'll come across this sign up here. It'll say cattle pond, and you'll head left this way. And that's when you'll come to here and you'll see Red Rock Canyon, and then we'll head down this direction. So we're getting real close here. We're just over 2 miles in. You can see the red rocks in the distance. If it's just been raining, this area of the trail will be full of like little streams, which is cool, but I've never seen it so high where it's made this impassable. All right, and there's the rocks. Excellent. So after you spend some time at the canyon, head back in the same direction you came, following the same path, and you'll make it back to the parking lot. Whiting Ranch has about 17 miles of wilderness, and there are plenty more trails to explore here in this park. I especially enjoy the Sleepy Hollow, which is seen here. Really cool trees, so definitely take some time to explore this area, not just the Red Rock Canyon. And thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed it and found it informative, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Don't you think it's time
1 mile done. I almost lost my feet. 2 miles in, still climbing. Woo! 5 miles. That might have been the fastest one for sure. Woo!